Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a contact us page on Google site. So I'm going to show you how do you create this site, and then it's going to be a step-by-step guide on this process. So if you feel this video is useful to you all, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And now let's get into the video. So if you open up your Google site here, so for example, once you get into your Google site up here, so if you already have a website, so you can see, just open that website so to edit it. If you don't have a website, so I don't really have a website, so let me just open up a website. So for example, a blank site, I will just open up a site here. So for example here, so this is my website here now. So if you already have a website, you can simply open that website, that's fine. Okay, so once you're on the website here, so what we're going to do is to add a page. So we're going to go to this page tab here. So click on the pages here, and then what you're going to do is click on, hover over to the plus icon here, and then select new page option here. Okay, and then now you can give a name to the page, so which can be in this case contact us, or you can give any other names as well if you want to. Okay, here on done. So as you can see now, you see like a new page has been created. Okay, so now that you have like create the new page, so now what you're going to do is you're going to like add you're going to just customize this a little bit. So here on the site name, you can enter your site. So whatever your site is, you can just enter your site name, or you can add logo, click on add logo to do that, all those things. And then you'll see that on your home page, you'll also create a directory to this page here, so which you can simply click on it to go to the contact us page here. So now that we have this, and then if you want to add images to this this heading here, you want to change it, you can customize it. Click on the image option, then you can upload your own image and customize it however you want to. Okay, so once you're done with that, so now here what we're going to do, we can simply add contents to this. So if you want to add like a contents page, so for example here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, okay, go to this insert tab here. So click on the insert tab here, and then click on a text box, and then I'm going to add a text box. So text box, I'm going to put the title, which is the contact us, so that's the title. So I can simply like adjust these, adjust it however I want to, and then the size, we can just change it. Okay, so that's it. So and the font and all those things, we can just do that. So we're going to change the size, so let me put it as here. Okay, contact as, and then the text, all we can change all those things. So this is the title, and then here you can add the details of your contact details. So if you add another text box here, so you can simply type in your contact name, your email address, and all those fields here, so where you can provide all these details here if you want to. So any other details if you want to, you can also add it here. And then once you have added this page here, what else you can also add is you can like create a form as well, where like your customers or people can fill it and then send it up and submit it to you. So you can also do that in addition to these fields here. So to do that, what you can do, okay, so we're going to do, so once this is done, so you're going to go to this option here. So click on this insert option. Okay, click on the insert option, and then here scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and then you will see this forms option here. So this is actually linked with your Google Forms. So if you click on forms, you will see all the forms that's available on your Google account. So you'll see that here. So if you have already created a form, or if you have a form on Google, so and that's a form that's been published, then you can simply click on it to add it into here. But if you don't have one, so you can simply go to your Google. So open up your Google Forms. So click on Google, and then just open up the Google Forms option. So go to your Google Forms, and here you can actually create a form. Okay, so you can simply create a form. So you can either create a blank form or choose from the templates here. Okay, so you can just choose that. So for example here, contact form, you can just click on it, this one. Okay, so you're going to click on this, and then what you can do, you can simply use this form here. So if you want to make any changes to this form, you can feel free to do that. So you can edit this form, so like your contact, all those information, if you want to change this, you can click on it, change it. And then if you want to remove any of these information here, so for example, you don't need the comment section, so click on it, and then you will see this delete option here. tap on it to delete it. Okay, so tap on it to delete it, and if you want to add any other things, you can click on this add question option and then click on it, and then you can simply add a question here. So you can add in any field here, and then what type of response, whether you want a multiple choice checkbox or what type of, is it short answer, long answer, you can choose that, type in your question, and then you can use that. And if you want it to be mandatory, you can turn on this required tab here, which means that question is mandatory, so the user must provide those details. Okay, and if you don't want, you can simply hit on this delete option to remove it off. So as you can see, so so in that way you can create the form. So whatever form you want to embed in your, put it in your website, you can just put it here. Okay, so mention it here, and once that's done, all you have to do, once you're done creating the form, hit on publish. You need to publish it. I just published mine, so it's here. So tap on the publish option here to publish it. Okay, so click on it to publish it, and then when you click on the publish option, make sure this one, for responders, this option is choose anyone with the link. It needs to be anyone with the link. If it's not selected, then hit on manage and then select this option here which says anyone with the link. Okay, so just select that. Okay, this option, anyone with the link, select that. So it needs to be that, and then hit on publish. Okay, hit on publish and publish the form. Once you have published the form, you can go back to your this page here. Okay, you can go back to your website here, your contacts page. Then here again, what you're going to do, click on the insert option here. So click on the insert page, go to insert, and then here scroll down and open up forms. So this will again load the forms from your Google account. So again, as you can see, your whatever forms that you have created on your Google account will pop up here. It will automatically. So you can simply select that, and then you can simply select that and insert it. Or else you can also, what you can do, go back to this form here. If you want to click on, go back to this form here. So click on these three dots here, click on the three dot, and then select embed HTML, click on it, and then copy this code here. So copy the HTML code and then go back. Okay, go back to this insert tab here, click on insert tab and click on embed, and then paste in the code. Okay, paste in the code and then hit on insert to insert it. Okay, that's another way of doing it, but the most easy simple way is once you have the form published here, just go back to your resume, to your this page here, your contacts page here, go back to it, hit on insert, and then scroll all the way down and go to forms, because your forms once published will always pop up here. All you have to do is select it and then hit on the insert tab. So click on the insert tab, and this will now, you see the form will be added, and you can now resize it. Just click and drag and resize it to however you want to. Okay, resize, and then if you want to do any more customization and everything, feel free to do that. You can do that. Okay, so you can do that, and then if you want to add more colors or anything, or if you want to add themes, if you click on the themes tab here, where you will be able to add themes. If you want to change it, so you can do that and then select it and do make all those required changes. So whatever you want to change, you can do that. Okay, once you're done with all the changes and everything, the last thing that you're going to do is hit on this publish option. So click on the publish option to make this page and your website live if you have not published it yet, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you add a contact us page on your Google Sites website. So I hope this video and information was helpful to you all. Please do, if you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you all in a new video. Thank you.